folks, from the two of us up front, Onboard Southwest Airlines Flight 3624, service to Dallas, Texas. The weather down there this afternoon, 79 degrees, windy gusts out of the south, and mostly clear skies. We got a hour and 14 minutes en route today, cruising up to 38,000 feet. And we thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. Welcome aboard.
And the forward entry door is closed as well. To make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, placed in its arm doors and crash check. Alright, you guys, if we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737 MAX8 series aircraft. The safety information card is in the seat back pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips or at any time that you're seated. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to those exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything behind. In the event of a water evacuation, we have 4 life rafts on board, 2 in the forward ceiling compartment, 2 in the ceiling compartments of the cabin. You also have a life vest located underneath your seat. Remove that vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the vest. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, you'll pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest or manually inflate it using a tube at your shoulder. It also has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by just to triple check your seatbelts are securely fastened, seat back and tray tables are in their upright and locked position, and that all your carry-on items are pushed all the way underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet completely clear. That does also include any crossbody bags or purses you might be wearing as well. Those need to come off your body, go under the seat in front of you. Smoking is not allowed on board at all, including in the lavatories. Use and charging of electronic cigarettes or any vaping devices is strictly prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It's also prohibited to consume any alcohol you may have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted information signs, posted plaques, including everything I just reminded you about seatbelts, smoking, and alcohol. And finally, while we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure, if one does occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask till the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. However, continue wearing that mask until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. If you're traveling with small children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first before assisting them with theirs, and make sure to remove all face coverings before donning an oxygen mask. We are here primarily for your safety, but also for your comfort, so if you see something or need absolutely anything at all, please don't hesitate to let us know, as that's what we're here for. That being said, that's it for the do's and the don'ts. Thanks for paying attention. Go sit back, relax, and enjoy this 1 hour and 15-minute flight over to Dallas. We're going to dim the cabin lights a tad for departure as well. If you need additional reading light, there's a button above you with a light bulb on it. Just take a quick second to find that. Alrighty folks, we've been cleared for departure. Double check your seatbelts and enjoy your flight.